We got a delivery. So we have the first piece of the body kit for the A45s. So this wasn't me, this was the Joanna. They were checking what was in there, so I don't have a clue what everything looks like, but as you can tell from the length, it is the side skirts for the A45s. So I got this from my favourite Chinese website. I got the diffuser for the TT from the same place, and originally I loved it. I thought it was great, but after it being in the sun, it did get a bit cloudy. Now that could have been my fault, I didn't put anything to protect it, but also I didn't know anything about carbon fibre. So this, I looked a little bit further and found someone that does dry carbon fibre. Let's unbox them and see how it looks. Comes in this wood box, much better than cardboard. It's not going to flex or ding, so let's hope that there's no damage. Wow, check it out. The rear end has got the bigger fin, the front has got the thinner one. I'll just flip them upside down so you can see. Really nice finish. There is a seam, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, I'm trying to shine the light on it, just here, but I don't know how you would normally lay up that, so any carbon fibre experts, let me know down in the comments. Could you do it better? So I was searching for body kits for the A45 for ages, and I'm quite particular what the look I want anyway, but then, as I said in my last video, a lot of people don't deliver to Andorra. So I found these skirts that I really liked, and they will deliver to Andorra. I think they look pretty cool. I can't wait to get them on the car. I'm going away for a little bit, a couple of days, so I'll get them on when I come back. So I'll wrap them up now. I just wanted to see, make sure they weren't damaged, so I can say I've received them. But let me know, should I protect them? How do I protect them? Do I put like a paint protection film or wax, or just so they don't go cloudy? Or should a better quality carbon product not go cloudy anyway? So my first unboxing style video, let me know what you think in the comments below if you want to see a few more of these, or you don't like them at all. I have got a front splitter coming and diffuser, so hopefully they will come by the time I get back, or maybe when I get back. I'll make sure I do some research on these, on how to install them. There's no holes, didn't come with any hardware, so I'm going to have a look at that. If there's anyone who's already done this or knows how to do this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments. I would highly appreciate it, but I will do my own research as well. So if you like this video, you want to follow the build, want to see how it turns out, give us a like, a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.